Yeah, boy say, come on now. What's up, guys? It's your boy CeeLo back with another video from Smoking Metal Car Fun. Hope you guys are enjoying y'all day. Like I always say, what else are we supposed to do? Wake up. That's the start. And then enjoy your day. You know, no matter if you got to go to work or not, you got to enjoy your day some kind of way. So, got to make it enjoyable anyway. But yeah, we at the shop, and me, the truck, we was out, changed the rotors. Of course, y'all seen that video, and brakes need to be changed too.
I haven't seen that video, go watch it.
As my son said, if y'all haven't seen that video, go watch it. But yeah, brakes need to be changed out on the Ram, so we had to take care of that. Cause I had a doctor's appointment the other day, man. I had to ride, 52 minutes, and on my way on that ride, it just started screeching, squealing, and I'm like, man, please just let me make it home. So, yeah, we made it home. It didn't mess up the front of the rotor, but it did cut into the back of the rotor a little bit. But hopefully we still all good. So, of course, my demon getting ready to take care of that for me.
I can get the rotor brakes off.
If he can get the rotor to break loose. You got it?
Nope.
The brace?
Yeah.
I don't know what come off. Bolts are all out. But wait a minute. Need to be able to get out.
Yeah, you should have took the brake off before you did that. Just so you know, next time, take that off before you take the bolt off.
Well, I couldn't get the other bolt of this off until I took this off because of your.
Why?
Because it was in the way.
You should have used the shorter one.
No, I took it off. It was too long. It hit here.
Oh. There's another way you could have done that.
Huh?
You should have just got a wrench.
What part of the bolt itself
The
is
bolt
too
was
long?
touching there?
Yes.
Damn. I didn't think the bolt. I thought you was talking about the bolt and the socket.
No, the bolt itself.
Goodness gracious. Hey, get your attitude together.
Get your mind together.
My mind is right.
You sure?
Positive.
I'm a little lost.
So, yep, that's what we got going on. And y'all already know. He got another back if he need help. So, we're going to keep it at that. And, let me show y'all. See what these brakes looking like.
Gotta get them off first, but they're extremely rusty.
Lord, have mercy. These is all probably the originals.
I wouldn't be surprised, but
you know, who knows what these people did. You know.
They ain't moving.
Yeah.
Like at all.
No,
I don't know if I can get them.
You gonna have to get the hammer, not that. And tap it.
Right.
Man.
Can't get it to move.
They old. They sure enough old. Get the hammer.
Yeah. It don't want to pry.
Why you don't tap it the other way?
Huh? I was trying to pry it outwards.
Yeah, well, try to tap it the other way. I would hate to have to go buy another one. Even though, you know, a new caliber wouldn't be bad. You know. See? Just a little force. Them was some bad brakes, boy. Goodness gracious. You gonna have to put a little sandpaper up there. Yeah.
That one was completely gone.
That's the back of the rotor.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
This one had a little bit of meat left.
Throw that in your hand.
A little bit of meat left. What's it This one could have went for another 5 miles.
Yeah, 5 more miles. I don't even say that. Maybe 2, depending on lights, bruh. Stop and go. And traffic would have been game over.
Next thing you know, you're going,
Yeah. Whip brakes locked up, everything locked up.
just stuck
yeah.
at the red light, like,
Yeah.
what I do?
Right. Not too much more to go. Wasn't too further to go with them, though. Yeah. So, we got some new brakes from Advance real quick. So, yeah. There's that. Now, these ain't the top of but the best ones. These are the ones that 39.
Affordable price.
39, exactly, affordable price. These are the ones that was like 29 and some change, came 31 and some change after taxes. So, yep. So, yeah, man. We're going to let him work. And we're going to end up getting inside the Ram and getting all the good goodies done and vacuuming her out and stuff. You see what kind of day it is? It's wet out here, y'all.
Just a little bit.
Rainy. Mountains. Y'all see the mountains? People out here shooting off too. Somebody shooting. Somebody shooting at the deers. That's the crow's nest across from us. Okay. Yeah, no new clamps. All right. Let's
So,
see.
either be gone without clamps, which you're not supposed to.
Well, right now I might have to. If they ain't give me none, they ain't come with nothing. Yeah. And I ain't never changed the back on here, so therefore might be SOL with new clamps for the time being. But right now, at least we ain't gonna Right. So yeah. So yeah, that's where we at. Stay tuned. So your boy back, and I told y'all my phone died, and I had to run out to go grab some parts. So I had to go grab 2 calipers. One for the passenger, one for the driver, because my calipers is gone. When I say gone, they was gone. So we got new ones on there. Yeah, we ain't go ahead and paint them, because honestly, I totally forgot to grab some paint. So yeah. But do I have them stickers here? That'll be sweet if I got them stickers here. I might be able to still put them on. But we gonna see. Hey, where are them stickers at? At home? Yep, I think they're at home, y'all. Wait a minute, hold up, y'all. Hold up. I think I got them still down here somewhere. Let me see. I think I might. What y'all think? Y'all know we did the ones on the Magnum, silver, or blue with reflective smoking metal car front. Should we do the reflective, or should we just go ahead and put these on there to see what it'll look like?
What's that one, red?
Yeah, that's
the chrome red, isn't it?
That's that chrome, yeah. So should we go ahead and slap that on that brake caliper, y'all? Being as though the brake caliper is like a grayish color. Yeah, I think we might do that. But it all depends. Because I might be able to get the reflective. So what y'all think? Should I do the reflective? I think I should do the reflective. Reflective look better, especially at night when you ride down the street and somebody car hit it. And you definitely see smoking metal like on the Magnum. Y'all go back, check that video out. So yeah. New calibers. The Ram needed it. It's another new part for bringing her to life with new parts. Indeed. Young boy is working hard. It feels good to not have to work out here in this, y'all. Let me show y'all. Feel good to not have to say, oh man, I have to do this another day. I can't go outside and work on my truck. It's raining. But, see, so y'all know, we got a shop. We ain't got to worry about that. Love it. So, while we in the middle of waiting on cars, we bring the Ram back to life. Oh, let me show y'all a little something. I might have to turn some lights on for y'all. Let's see. Seat covers. Ooh, look at them floor mats. Yeah. Yeah. My son ain't doing a good job on vacuuming. He gotta do that a little bit better. Yeah.
Find a knob.
I don't know how I losing pieces to the vacuum already, y'all. But it's in here somewhere. He just misplaced it. Can't be losing parts and stuff, man. Yes, you. So,
You gotta figure your way around that.
right. That's why I say new parts go a long way opposed to something rusty, sticky, and don't want to work. Yeah. Even though it still costs a little bit of money, but it helps you in the long run. One side done and down, y'all. One and down. It's funny, right? I'm sitting over here with my feet kicked up, my son working. Only right now, you know, he doing work right now, but yeah, that makes me feel good that I can actually sit here and watch him handle his business because that means I taught him well. So y'all, in this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, man, because every day he makes me proud and let me know that I showed him something in his life. So, hey, y'all parents out there who ain't doing what they supposed to do, step your game up, handle your business, and teach your kids. But for all the parents that is out there, big ups, big thumbs up to y'all. Hey, this our new generation. We gotta make things happen while we can and get them out here to know what real life is. And my son ain't sugarcoated. He ain't walking around with his eyes closed. He know what real life is. He know what hard work is. One day he ain't gonna have to do that. But right now he know what hard work is. He know what it is to get your fingers dirty, your hands cut. Be a man. And that's a man over there. Young man, growing up to be an awesome man. So, I'm going to say, I'll take a little bit of pat on the back. My wife, my fiance, she can take a little pat on the back too. Because without her, he wouldn't be here either. So, let's get back to this. Why that ain't up instead of dripping? You should have had that up a little bit.
It's dripping.
Oh, it's dripping from where?
Back here, it looks like. Unless it's no, it's running down.
Oh, okay.
That's just it coming out.
Okay.
It's not being hooked up.
Yeah. Whew. Shot flow.
Alright.
Now we gotta put the brake line on.
Yep. And then I'll tighten up the brakes.
So, yep. Ain't far. Y'all almost done. Making it happen, y'all. Making it happen. Brand new rotor. Caliber. New tires coming soon.
With the older.
Yep. And the old tires. Yep. She gonna be right when the summer hit. She gonna be right. Real right. So he's all wrapped up. Now he just gotta tighten it down. I ain't gonna have y'all watch no more. I'll catch y'all in the next one. It's your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fun. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, smash the notification bell so y'all can get all upcoming content that we put out. Greatly appreciate it. Make sure y'all give this video a big thumbs up. Big thumbs up. Catch y'all. Peace.